Welcome back to the Hidden Gem Network. My name is Dan, and today we're going to go over 3 hidden gems that are going to see incredible gains over this upcoming year. So with that being said, let's dive right in. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you're subscribed with notifications to the Hidden Gem Network. So just subscribe and get notified, because just like this video, every video that we release, we're going to go ahead and be doing a giveaway. In this video, I'm picking 4 random people to give 50 USDT to. However, what you have to do is you see the letter on your screen right here. There's a letter right there in front of your face. And these letters are literally scattered throughout the entire video, and these letters make a word. And what you have to do is you have to come on Twitter, follow me at Dan Da Silva with 3 A's for the last name, and then just tweet me what the word is. So right over here, the word was hello in the first video, and then he was the winner. He tweeted me, the first person, and then what I did was I went ahead and I sent exactly what I said I would do. I would send the prize. So now I'm looking for 4 people to go ahead and find this particular hidden word in the video, and you get to win 50 USDT. So with that being said, go ahead, participate. It's free money just for watching the video regardless. So the first hidden gem isn't necessarily a hidden gem, but I really want to talk about why I believe we're about to see some massive growth in here. So as we know, we already are seeing Ethereum just go parabolic. It literally hit $4,100 already. So with all the profits being made in Bitcoin and Ethereum and just Ethereum, Bitcoin, those profits are going to slowly start leaking into the top 20. And then we're going to see it into the top 50, etc. And this is where alt season comes into play. So with that being said, I see something like Atom. Now, Atom has a $7 billion market cap. So Cosmos has a $7 billion market cap. And it's funny that I'm making this video right now because in the morning, I'm only subscribed to one person on Patreon, and it's Sheldon Evans. And he made a post not about Cosmos, but about different things, and he mentions Cosmos in there. Now, I really want to go ahead and touch on this. I'm not going to read the entire post because I'm not allowed to, but I just want to touch on some things that he says. And if you're not subscribed to his Patreon, I definitely would recommend it and seeing what he actually talks about, because he's really smart. So right over here, Cosmos aims to create what they describe as the internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. You can think of Cosmos as a collection of blockchains, and instead of building individual bridges between each of these blockchains, it uses hubs. Hubs are basically points that all other blockchains can connect to, and in doing so are then interconnected with one another. So the idea of what Cosmos is trying to do is incredible. Now let's take a look at the growth, the max time frame. So we can see that it opened up around $2-3 in 2019, and then we had a dip in 2020 to like $1.80, $2 area, and that's okay. Okay, people, kind of had weak hands, they sold, whatever it is, whatever the case is. But when you invest into these hidden gems, and when I release in the next few days how to find hidden gems, you need to understand that the product has to have a real use case and solve a problem or provide a need to a problem that exists. So with that being said, Cosmos does go ahead and facilitate a massive, massive solution to a problem that exists right now when it comes down to all the blockchains working one another in parallel. So this is going to be massive. I mean, it's going to be something that is personally I'm betting on long term. So now everybody wants to know a prediction. In my personal opinion, I can see us going anywhere from $45 to $50 for Cosmos in the next few months. Now, again, that's given, we don't have some sort of major corrections and whatnot. But at the end of the day, we will see those type of numbers when it comes down to Cosmos because of the problem that it's solving and the utility that it provides as well. Also, check this out. I want you to just see the patterns of what these use case projects that actually provide some sort of, result to the end user or appeal to the masses in some sort of way. I want you to see how they work out, right? They're stable, they drop, they go up a little bit, they drop, they're stable, and then out of nowhere they go parabolic, right? So we see that with, we see this with Cosmos. We see this with, if we take a look at Chainlink as well, we see this with Chainlink, and now it's at 52. When I recorded a video, it was at like 40 something, right? Stable, 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 up, drop a little bit, drop a little bit, drop over here. Then we start getting some parabolic movement, drop, and now we're just going to the moon. So again, Chainlink provides an oracle for for projects, right? So again, I'm not going to go too deep into what Chainlink actually does, but speaking of oracles leads me to my next hidden gem that nobody really talks about as of yet. And that hidden gem is Kylan. And Kylan is an oracle for the Polkadot blockchain. So I'm going to open up just a quick article for you right over here. Kylan Network, the Polkadot oracle in the new era. Now, the first thing I want to go ahead and cover is what it does and what its purpose is. And just so you know, I'm releasing an entire hidden gem video about Kylan, dissecting everything. Now let me dive into what Kylan does. So right over here, for the Oracle existing project, it is difficult to solve all 4 issues above, whether using Chainlink, Agure, I don't know how to pronounce that, or Gnosis, right? So these are pretty much what every single oracle needs to go ahead and provide: accuracy, timelessness, cost of attack, decentralization. And what what Kylan is aiming to do is it's looking to be a universal oracle protocol. Its main function is to build an on-chain data warehouse through decentralization and trustlessness, and to provide an accurate social data and market data to various DeFi applications and blockchain projects. Now we can also see the use cases and application and their vision of what they see it being used for: decentralized insurance, automatic payments, stable coins and crypto derivatives, crypto asset lending platform, cross-chain decentralized exchanges, decentralized casino and games, blockchain computing market. And if we just go quickly glance over about what Kylan is, Kylan Network aims to build a cross-chain platform powering the data economy on Polkadot, which we already know DOT is seeing some incredible growth. There's a lot of projects that are being built on Polkadot. I'm very bullish when it comes down to the Polkadot chain. So it will be the data infrastructure for the future DeFi and Web 3.0 powered by Polkadot. Kylan Network hopes to provide valid, reliable, secure, and cost-efficient and easily coordinated data sources and data analytics. So essentially, projects that are going to be built, like DeFi projects that are being built on Kylan that are being built on Polkadot are going to need Kylan. Period. End of story. So that's going to, the use case of this is incredible, and that's going to drive the price up. So as of right now, where Kylan stands is at 80 cents. Yesterday I got in at 66 cents. The first purchase that I had was at $1. The second one is at 66 cents right down here. So I dollar cost average my way in. And my biggest holdings are Ethereum, and then Kylan is actually the third, but the second one is the next hidden gem. Next hidden gem, as you guys know, I'm a massive Blank fanboy. I think Blank is going to do some incredible things. I think if executed really well, we can see like a $10 to $15 Blank this year alone. I truly believe this project is going to be massive. And the reason being is because it helps with privacy. It helps your transactions become more anonymous. So they can't necessarily be tracked back to your wallet per se. So there's a lot that Blank actually does. And I have an entire Blank video that I released right over here called literally 1000% altcoin gem, the MetaMask killer. And I definitely would recommend you take a look at the Blank video. It's really important that you grasp what everything does. So as a recap, let me just go over the 3 that I believe are going to see some massive gains and how I'm trading them and what I'm doing. First thing is first, we have Cosmos. So Cosmos, I'm leverage trading this, and I'm going long. I'm not leveraging just to swing trade it. I'm going long. I'm going for a few months, maybe a year, depending on where the profit lays. But I believe that we are going to see some incredible gains when it comes down to Cosmos. Like, we're going to see some astronomical gains here. And when it comes down to Kylan, because it's on Uniswap, gas fees are expensive. I need to buy in chunks of like 2, 3, 4, 5,000. The first time I bought in was pretty hefty. Second time I bought in, like 2 nights ago, also pretty hefty, because I need to keep the gas fees in the back of my mind. So Kylan is my 3rd biggest holding. Second, and I'm holding it spot, by the way. Second is Blank. I'm also holding spot. It's not available on any exchange where I can leverage it, nor would I leverage it. This is a longer term play. I'm leveraging Cosmo because of the fact that it's following the same steps as Chainlink, and it has a real use case. And with a little bit of money that I have inside of the futures account, why not? So then I have blank and I'm holding this spot, and this is my second biggest holding aside from Ethereum. But Ethereum is going to be a different video that I talk about, because I'm going to be selling my Ethereum once we go ahead and start to correct a little bit, and then I'm going to be rebuying back in as we go ahead and work our way back down, because Ethereum has just seen some incredible growth. But I do believe that we're going to see anywhere between a $6,000 to $10,000 Ethereum by the end of this year. So with that being said, we have Cosmos, we have Kylan, and we have Blank as the 3 hidden gems. Make sure you're subscribed with notifications, and also don't forget to tweet the word to win the cash. See you soon.